Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glad Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to enable live gifts on TikTok. The steps are: click on your profile, click on the three dots at the right corner of the screen, click on created tools, click on live tools here. So this is live gifts. How to get gifts while you go live. So click on all of this time and boom, that is it. If I click on go live now, I will be live on TikTok, and people that wants to give me gifts will be able to give me gifts. So that is it on how to go live on TikTok. If this video was helpful to you, at least for those that have been thinking on how to get gifts on TikTok, please if this video was helpful to you, please do well to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.